and start record. Alright, so this is 2012 Panini Momentum. 12 hits per box. I'm going to read off names again. Let me get back to that real quick here. 1 second, sorry. Should have it up. But, oh my gosh, I'm not feeling good. We need to hurry with this. Alright, so Madden 2107 has Atlanta Falcons. Backdraft 1969 has Bills and Bengals. And then Putter 2127, the Chiefs. The New York Jets and San Diego Chargers. Iron Horse Era has Browns, Tampa Bay. And I know there's a few more. And also Vikings, Patriots, New Orleans Saints, New York Giants, Oakland Raiders, St. Louis Rams. PBR Street Gang 2013 has the Colts and Seattle Seahawks. Sanders SP 2008 has the Washington Redskins. Sype Racing has the Eagles. RDYE has the Dolphins. Maya Mango has the Tennessee Titans. Let's see. And then CalFan has the San Francisco 49ers. Iron Horse Era again has the Steelers. Yeah Boy 21 2011 has the Jaguars. Lonesome Doves has the Texans. Toss the Coin has Green Bay Packers. What is that? Bent Ready Man? BENTREAD or REDIEPMAN has the Detroit Lions. 4 Scorpio has the Broncos. Sick Cowboys has the Cowboys. Corey Ha 1 has the Chicago Bears. Dip Sports has the Carolina Panthers, and then Baltimore Ravens went unpaid, so they will be mine. And we got the, let's see. Alright, let's show the sealed box. Got the sealed box, all the Panini logos there. Got the box number 13297676463. And good luck to everybody. 10 hits, 10 cards, or 10 hits a box. So, should be good. That's okay. Got an empty box. Empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Alright guys, good luck. I'm going to try to make this quick. And first card is a thick card. Alright, got Darren McFadden for the Raiders. We got Tony Romo for the Cowboys, and then right off the bat, Dwayne Allen. There's a little bit of color up there in that third, so jersey patch auto, and that is, wow, to $5.99. I thought these were just plain jerseys. So to $5.99, Dwayne Allen for the Colts, right off the bat. Let's see. Got us Antonio Holmes, Calvin Johnson, and Kirk Cousins. There we go. That's not bad. He's playing good right now. Number to $2.99. Kirk Cousins. His autos are probably one of the nicest autos. And my son is crying. But that is a nice hit right there. Congrats to the Redskins. Redskins and Colts got a hit, so that's cool. Alright, we got us Sean Green, Andy Dalton, Devon Steele for the Bengals. Sorry about the kid in the background. That is to $7.99. So congrats, guys. So that's going to the Bengals. Alright, let's see. Got us Percy Harvin, Colt McCoy, and Levante David. That's for the Buccaneers. Right there on the side it says Tampa Bay Bucks. And yep, there's the logo right there. That one's to $7.99. Levante David. Alright, let's see here. Got us a Cam Newton base card. Beanie Wells. And wait, we had him last break too. D.D. Lewis jersey for the Cowboys to $99. So D.D. Lewis, congrats. Oh. Alright, let's see here. Off the back, Michael Crabtree. Tamba Hali. And Ryan Tannehill jersey. Going to the Dolphins. That is to $249. So congratulations to the Dolphins. 4 more packs. Let's hope I can make it through all of them, because I am not feeling good right now. Alright, we got us Michael Vick, Fred Jackson, and head of the class, another jersey for Brian Quick this time. Going to the Rams. That one is to $249. Looks like this next one's going to be an auto. Alright, so Charles Woodson. Mercedes Lewis, and going to the Jets, Demario Davis. New York Jets, Demario Davis rookie auto to $7.99. Alright, 2 more packs left, guys. Alright, let's see here. Joe Flacco. Michael Bush. And another auto. This one's actually going to Rams. D'Angelo Peterson. Number to $7.99. D'Angelo Peterson. Oh, last break. Or last pack. This one's a thick card, so patch, I think. Alright, we got LeGarrette Blount, Andre Johnson, and it's going this way. Going to the Giants. Rookie salute, Ruben Randall. Nice 2-color patch right there. That one is 42 of 49. So short print. So congrats to everybody. Thanks a lot for joining. And I'll be posting probably a week from now. Thanks a lot.